Analysis of this, we've got it from Tom Hayes, who joins us here in New York this morning. Can Bitcoin just keep on running?
Well, I think, Stu, Bitcoin is the new VIX. It's a sentiment indicator. And what it's telling us right now is animal spirits are back. It has momentum. It has trading momentum. And it probably goes to 100,000. Based on what? I have no idea. But people are excited about it. The policy is pro-crypto from this new administration. And it's telling us that people believe in risk. People believe in the future. And it's also consistent with what we see since 1932. In election years, the markets, risk assets tend to rally into the inauguration, and then the first 6 months of that next year, as we absorb policy,
not so much.
Not so good. It grinds a little sideways, a little choppy before the year-end rally.
You're talking about animal spirits beginning to run riot again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are the animal spirits running riot in the stock market? Are you talking about a melt up here?
It could be, and here's the white swan that very few people are talking about. Overnight, there were some news outlets kind of calling the Republican sweep. If that is confirmed, the corporate tax rate goes from 21% to 15%, which means the tax expense is reduced by 29%. Earnings power of the S&P 500 could go from 275 to 354. What does that mean in English, Stu? It means the multiple of the market comes down from 21.8 times down to 16.9 times, which would imply the market is not expensive at 21.8. It could be reasonable at 16.9 if they push that through.
But we've got to have a clean sweep. The House has to stay Republican.
That's right.
And
That's right.
that at the moment has not been confirmed.
That has not been confirmed, but you had Reuters out overnight. You had a couple other news organizations saying it's all but a foregone conclusion. So we'll know more in the next 48 hours. If that happens and the corporate tax rate drops down to 15%, we are going to see some strong economic growth over the next 4 years like we've never seen before.
Okay.
Roaring 2000s continues.
I like the sound of that. There you go. That's my mannerism, by the way. All right, Thomas, thank you very much indeed. Here's what we have.